Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix missing emojis on Android. Emojis are a fun way to express yourself in text messages and social media. But sometimes they may not display properly on your Android device. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to resolve this issue. First, let's understand why emojis may be missing on your Android device. The main reason is that the font used by your device does not support the emoji you are trying to view. This can happen if your device is running an older version of Android or if the app you are using does not support emojis. To fix missing emojis on Android, start by checking your device's operating system version. Make sure your device is running the latest version of Android, as newer versions often include support for more emojis. You can check for updates in the Settings app under the About Phone section. Next, try restarting your device. This can sometimes resolve the issue by refreshing the system and clearing any temporary glitches. Simply press and hold the power button until your device shuts down. Then press and hold it again to turn it back on. If restarting your device does not work, try clearing the cache of the app that is not displaying emojis. To do this, go to the Settings app and select the Apps section. Find the app that is not displaying emojis and select it. Then choose the Clear Cache option. This will remove any temporary data that may be causing the issue. Another solution is to install a third-party emoji keyboard. There are many emoji keyboards available on the Google Play Store, such as Gboard and SwiftKey, that support a wide range of emojis. Simply download and install the keyboard app. Then set it as your default keyboard in the Settings app. Finally, if none of the above steps work, you may need to reset your device to its default settings. This will restore your device to its original settings and may resolve the issue. To do this, go to the Settings app and select the Backup and Reset section. Then choose the Factory Data Reset option. In conclusion, fixing missing emojis on Android is a relatively simple process that can be done by checking your device's operating system version, restarting your device, clearing the cache of the affected app, installing a third-party emoji keyboard, or resetting your device to its default settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and enjoy using emojis on your Android device.